உங்களுக்கும் உங்கள் குடும்பத்தார் அனைவருக்கும் சாந்தியும் சமாதானமும் உண்டாவதாக. Peace be upon you. In this video, we are going to discuss about the new heading, reactions of hydrochloric acid with aqua regia. Reactions of hydrochloric acid with aqua regia. Aqua regia, when 3 parts of concentrated hydrochloric acid and 1 part of concentrated nitric acid are mixed, aqua regia, royal water, kingly water is obtained. 3 parts of concentrated hydrochloric acid and 1 part of concentrated nitric acid is the mixture of aqua regia, royal water, also called kingly water, is obtained. This is used for dissolving the ornamental noble metals, gold, platinum, etc. Gold, when dissolved in aqua regia, it is converted into auric chloride with the loss of nitrosyl chloride and water. We will discuss the reaction in separate. Platinum, when dissolved in aqua regia, it forms chloroplatinic acid along with NOCl and H2O. So these are the ionic reaction. Now we are going to discuss how actually this reaction takes place. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it. Aqua regia. What is meant by aqua regia? It is a mixture of concentrated hydrochloric acid with concentrated nitric acid, HNO3, is called aqua regia. It is in the ratio of 3:1. 3:1 ratio. 3 parts of concentrated hydrochloric acid with 1 part of nitric acid gives aqua regia. It is also called royal water. Royal water. Aqua regia also called royal water. One more name given to this aqua regia is kingly water. Kingly water. Aqua regia. And aqua regia is a strong oxidizing agent. It is a strong oxidizing agent. It oxidizes the ornamental metal, platinum and gold, into their acids. We know gold and platinum both does not undergo any reaction with HCl, HNO3 and sulfuric acid, H2SO4. H2SO4, sulfuric acid. But when this metal is added to aqua regia, it dissolves in aqua regia, gives the product. How the reaction takes place? First we are going to discuss about gold with aqua regia. Gold with aqua regia. Aqua regia. Then platinum with aqua regia. The reactions takes place in 3 steps. By adding all the steps, we can come to the final step. Now see the first reaction. Gold with aqua regia. HNO3, nitric acid, 1 part of nitric acid when treated with hydrochloric acid gives nitrosyl chloride NOCl plus loss of water molecule, and it produces nascent chlorine. What is the name of this product? NOCl is called nitrosyl chloride. Nitrosyl chloride. The last one is called nascent chlorine, like nascent hydrogen, nascent oxygen. This is nascent chlorine. We know HNO3 is in 1 part of HNO3 and 3 part of hydrochloric acid is called aqua regia. Now balance reaction. 3 chlorine atom, 1 plus 2 equal to 3 chlorine atom. How many hydrogen? 3 plus 1 equal to 4 hydrogen. 2 into 2 are 4 hydrogen. The nascent hydrogen formed in the first step. Nascent chlorine formed in the first step. Oxidize the metal. Gold Au. When treated with nascent chlorine gives auric chloride. Auric chloride. Oxidation state of iron is plus 3, not iron. Gold is plus 3, chlorine minus 1. When we write in class, that one is here, this 3 is there. Auric chloride. The name of this compound is Au. It is in plus 3. Therefore, auric chloride. Plus 1 means Rs. This is auric chloride. Now balance reaction. 3 chlorine, 3 chlorine. 3 chlorine, 3 chlorine. Now, the auric chloride formed in the second step, AuCl3. AuCl3. When treated with the excess of HCl, hydrochloric acid, it gives an acid. The acid of gold is HAuCl4. What is the name of that compound? Chloroauric acid. Chloroauric acid. Chloroauric acid or hydrochloroauric acid. Hydrochloroauric acid. To add all the reaction and to get the final reaction. Add all the reaction. Reaction 1, 2 and 3. First we have to equate the number of nascent chlorine atom. In the first reaction, we have 2 chlorine, nascent chlorine, 3 chlorine. So we have to equate the nascent chlorine. By equate, the first equation is multiplied by 3. Multiplied by 3. And the second equation is multiplied by 2. First reaction is multiplied by 3. Second reaction is multiplied by 2. So after multiplication, first reaction completely by 3. Here you will get 3 HNO3, 9 HCl, 3 into 3 are 9, 3 NOCl, 3 into 2 are 6 water molecule, 3 into 2 are 6 Cl, nascent chlorine. Second reaction is completely multiplied by 2. 2 Au. 2 into 3 are 6 nascent chlorine 2 into 1 equal to 2 AuCl3. Because of in the second step we get 2 AuCl3, the third reaction also multiplied by 2. To cancel AuCl3. When you multiply by 2, you will get 2 AuCl3, 2 HCl and 2 HAuCl4. By adding all the three reactions, equal molecules get cancelled. What are the equal molecules? 6 nascent chlorine, 6 nascent chlorine. 2 AuCl3 and here also 2 AuCl3. When we add all these reactions, we will get the final reaction. Add all the three reactions. We will get a final reaction. How to add all these three reactions? Now, left hand side we have how many Au? 2 Au. 2 Au plus 3 HNO3. 3 HNO3 plus 9 plus 2 equal to 11 HCl gives. Right hand side we have 2 chloroauric acid, 2 HAuCl4 plus chloroauric acid and 3 molecules of NOCl plus one more molecule we have 6H2O. 6H2O. So, this is the reaction takes place when gold is dissolved in aqua regia. Actually, it is an oxidation reaction. Metal in free state, oxidation state equal to 0. In chloroauric acid, gold is in +3 oxidation state. When you move from left to right, the oxidation number increases. Therefore, it is called oxidation. So, this is the reaction of gold with aqua regia. Now, we are going to discuss one more reaction. The reaction of platinum and aqua regia. Reaction of platinum and aqua regia. Platinum and aqua regia. Platinum is a noble metal when treated with aqua regia. Platinum with aqua regia. Aqua regia, 3 parts of corn HCl with 1 part of corn nitric acid. As usual, the first reaction is HNO3 nitric acid when treated with hydrochloric acid gives nitrosyl chloride NOCl plus H2O water molecule along with the nascent chlorine Cl. We know aqua regia is a mixture of 1 part of HNO3 with 3 part of HCl. We have 3 chlorine atom, 1 plus 2 equal to 3 chlorine atom, 3 plus 1 equal to 4 hydrogen, 4 hydrogen. We know the name of the product. NOCl is called nitrosyl chloride. Nitrosyl chloride. This is nascent chlorine. The freshly prepared chlorine is called nascent chlorine. And in the second step, the nascent chlorine formed oxidized platinum. Platinum Pt when treated with nascent chlorine. Platinum oxidation state is +4 and chlorine oxidation state is -1. When we write in class, that one is here, this 4 is there. PtCl4 is called platinic chloride. It is called platinic chloride. Platinic chloride. And the third reaction is formation of chloroplatinic acid. Third reaction involve formation of chloroplatinic acid. The platinic chloride PtCl4 when treated with hydrochloric acid HCl form H2 PtCl6 chloroplatinic acid. How many hydrogens we have? 2 hydrogen, 6 chlorine, 1 platinum, 1 platinum. Second equation, 4 chlorine. To add equation number 1, 2 and 3, first we have to equate the nascent chlorine atom. Second reaction containing 4 chlorine atom. Therefore, the first reaction is completely multiplied by 2. It becomes, when you multiply by 2, here you have 2 into 1 equal to 2, 2 into 3 is 6, here 2, NOCl, 4 H2O, 4 Cl. During addition, equal molecules get cancelled. 4 nascent chlorine get cancelled. Platinic chloride get cancelled. So what is the final reaction? Platinum Pt, like the above reaction, first reaction, 2 HNO3, 2 molecules of HNO3 plus 6 plus 2 equal to 8 HCl, 8 molecules of HCl gives chloroplatinic acid H2 PtCl6 plus 2 NOCl plus how many water molecule? 4 water molecule. 4 H2O, 4 water molecule. So what is the name of the acid? The name is called chloroplatinic acid. H2PtCl4 is called chloroplatinic acid. This is also an example of oxidation reaction. Metal in free state, oxidation state equal to 0. In chloroplatinic acid, it is in 4 plus oxidation state. When you move from left to right, the oxidation number increases. It is called oxidation. This is how aqua regia undergo reaction with gold and platinum. Gold and platinum are ornamental metals. They only dissolved in aqua regia. Now we are going to discuss about uses of hydrochloric acid. Uses of hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is used for the manufacture of chlorine, ammonium chloride, glucose from cornstarch, etc. So it is used in the manufacture of chlorine, ammonium chloride, glucose from cornstarch, etc. It is used in the extraction of glue from bone and also for purification of bone blood. This is the reactions of aqua regia with the platinum and gold and uses of hydrochloric acid. Thank you for watching this video.